Hurriyat leaders and organizations have said that the Indian government's claims of carrying out mega power projects are in fact not meant to benefit the Kashmiris but to exploit their resources, as it has been happening in the past. The leaders and organizations made the statement in reaction to the announcement by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Indian Minister of State, that New Delhi is going to complete the region's major power projects generating around 6,000 megawatts in Kishtwar. Muslim religious scholars, mashayikh and muftis belonging to the all schools of thought issued a unanimous fatwa declaring any kind of cooperation with India's organizations, including Bharatiya Janata Party, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and the Bajrang Dal, Haram, illegal and against the teachings of Islam. The fatwa or decree was issued at a joint meeting held at a secret location in Srinagar. Drug addiction is becoming a serious worry, devastating the lives of young people, with experts attributing the menace to the factors including a shortage of jobs and the mental health issues arising from living in a conflict zone, the BBC reported. The BBC report quoted a survey conducted last year as having said more than 52,000 people in the Kashmir admitted to using heroin. India's dreaded Special Investigation Unit has arrested 58 persons on the charges of being involved in pro-freedom and anti-India activities in the occupied Kashmir. The detainees belong to various districts of the Kashmir Valley. Member of the Indian Army-controlled Village Defence Guards shot and injured a 20-year-old youth in Rajouri district. The guard member shot and injured the youth identified as Sunil Kumar in Lower Dangri village of the district. India is planning to deploy 300 additional companies of the paramilitary forces in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir in the garb of upcoming Amarnath Yatra. Additional 300 paramilitary companies will be deployed on the demand of police for annual pilgrimage, which will start on July 1st and last for 62 days till August 31st. A non-local resident was found dead in Srinagar district. The outsider, identified as Arun Kumar, who belonged to the Indian state of Jharkhand, was found unconscious in Rajbagh area of the district. A big protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad under the aegis of Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir on the completion of 1400 days since India robbed Jammu and Kashmir of its special status on 5th August 2019. A massive rally was taken out at Khatme-Nabuwat Chowk against the Indian oppressive and illegal actions of 5th August 2019.